You're going. Make sure you really get a bend though. There. Now if you're going to counter bend, now get the correct bend. There. Good. Now bring the front that same direction. Good. Then you could have trotted off the other way if you wanted to, you know. Okay, but I want more extreme counter bends and bends.
Okay.
So now counter bend to the outside. Open the inside rein. Open the inside rein. There. Now push him over with the inside, this outside leg here. Now go into the correct circle. That's better. Keep going. Now, oh, okay. And now trot off and counter bend to the, come to the left but counter bend right. Good. Keep the counter bend. Now bend correctly into the right circle. Keep counter bending.
Keep counter bending.
Well, but I wanted you to turn there. Counter bend. Never mind. Okay, now turn toward me now with that same bend. You understand what I'm trying to get you to do? Yeah.
I've been doing it backwards.
Yeah. Okay, now counter bend. Keep going. Oh, no, 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 no. And when you get down to that end, then counter bend. Now counter bend. Good. Keep coming. Keep turning. Now go the other way. Bent correctly. Now when you get down to that corner, counter bend. But keep turning in that circle, counter bent now. Good. Now when you get to the middle, come toward me. Bent correctly. Now you got it. See what I mean?
Yeah. This side.
That's it. Yeah, that's the harder side. I'll let her use my saddle on.
Yeah.
Sitting. Sit on your pockets. Relax your elbows. Slow him down. Sink down around him and into him. There. Now, left, right, left, right. Make him let go of you. There. There. And when he gets soft like that, then you can post and be light. When he starts tugging and getting heavy, sit down and make him let go. Good there. That's good. How's that feel? Now he looks like he's hearing himself.
Mm-hmm.
Now he looks like he's holding himself up. That's it. Now see what happens if you trot through those cavalettis. Be ready to roll behind if he gets quick. Voice. Very nice. actually tracking without leaning.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Good boy. Make a big deal of it. Good boy. Very good. Good boy. Okay. We'll mix it up. We'll do the roll behind all that. Until he's settled, then we'll do the other.
I am not responsible for any living creature.
Oh no, the one that ran across the concrete.
So I finished the concrete. And then we're sitting there looking at it. While we're looking at it, there's not a shepherd of a news about this thing about run right through the middle of the concrete. I'm like, really?
That's okay, roll it. Pat it. Good boy. So you